Hello, I'm Guido Schneider and I'm responsible for the VARTA aftermarket business in Europe. Today I have the pleasure to announce a new partnership in our VARTA heavy-duty commercial vehicle business. Fleets need to be able to rely at all times on the battery, and so do truck race teams. We will partner with T Sport Bernau within the FIA European Truck Championship, serving as a sponsor and technical partner and using this chance to test our batteries under toughest conditions. Our VARTA AGM product is the product of choice to meet highest requirements in terms of vibration, cycling capabilities and heat, being it on the road or on the racetrack.
Hello, we are Tim Frost and Melanie Derflinger, and together we are the team managers of T Sport Bernau. To be successful with our race team, we look for very strong partners which can offer very good technical expertise. We have been using VARTA products for many years now in our race truck, track unit and race trailer, and we are now very happy to have VARTA on board with us as a partner. We are looking forward to the new race season in the European Truck Racing Championship with even more power.